back to Cook and Sons Carpentry. Today we have an exciting video. We're sponsored by Walabot, and let's get into it. So Walabot sent us their DIY 2M stud finder. Here's the box the stud finder came in. Their wall attach magnets. It's a magnet ring that has a sticker on one side that you stick to the Walabot, and then another magnet ring that you stick on your phone, so that way you can connect the two and operate the whole system with one hand. And then they also sent me out their Walabot safety or protective carrying case, which is pretty cool because you got their name on it, and holds the Walabot nice. And this is the one half of the magnetic ring right there that sticks onto the Walabot. I've tested this quite a bit already. I've played with it at work. I've used it on a couple other phones. I used it on my wife's phone. Tonight we're using it. She's at work, so we're using it on my son's phone. The app is really easy to download. The instructions are simple. You follow the prompts, and it'll take you less than 5 minutes, and you can have it all set up. A lot of people, I guess, think that it's an app that you can just get on your phone. No, it's not. You need to buy the actual tool. I have had quite a few stud finders. I remodel homes for a living. I've done a couple of reviews of other stud finders on my channel. You can use an iPhone or an Android. They have the app on both. All right, so now I'll show you how to set up the Walabot. This is the actual product right here. You need to have the app. First, we'll turn it on so that it starts up its Wi-Fi. So it's gonna ask you about joining Walabot Wi-Fi. It has nothing to do with your Wi-Fi at home. It's the Wi-Fi from this. So then we're gonna go to the app. Fast reconnect. See, Walabot DIY app wants to join. Pairing. Give it a second. It takes less than 2 minutes. Connecting, and connected. All right, so then it's going to tell you that it works on drywall, and it's going to want to do our calibration. It's going to tell you how to do it. So we have two different tests we're going to do. We're going to do on drywall with no insulation, and then we'll do it with drywall with insulation. All right, so let's start our calibration. It says Walabot will learn about your wall, calibrate on each new wall. To start, tap on calibrate. And what you want to do is you place the flat end. It says place this side against the wall, and then you're going to make a circle. Not too big of a circle, but not too small of a circle. You might have to do this a couple different times depending on your walls and what's behind them to try to get the best idea of what you're looking for. So then it says calibration step 1, place the flat side on the wall of Walabot firmly on wall. Start calibration, and it's telling me to do a circle. And you want to do at least one full circle. Move in a circular motion. Calibration completed. So now we'll start our scan. So in this wall we have some copper 1/2-inch pipe, some 3/4 steel pipe, some 1/2-inch PEX, which we'll move over here. And then we even have 14-2 electrical wire for homes, and then some Schedule 30 3-inch PVC. So look at that. It picked up the stud right away, which we're past the steel pipe. Oh, there it is. You got to move slow. If you move too fast, it's going to potentially miss. And then over here, we have our pipe or wire, which is our 1/2-inch copper. All right, so we have our copper pipe. Oh, see? Picked up, look at that. It's picking up our 1/2-inch PEX right there. And it's also picking up our stud. It can pick up plumbing and electrical that is close to the stud. it'll pick up both things. You just have to move slowly and do a little bit of exploring. So I mentioned the magnet accessory that you can buy on their website for the Walabot. So that's this ring right here, and then it comes with another ring that you can stick on the back of your phone. But if you have one of the Qi cases, like this has like the Qi charging, and then I have an OtterBox case on my phone that has the Qi charging. It works as the magnet. So as long as you have this part on the Walabot, you can do that. So now you can work with one free hand. There it is. And then now let's check out the Schedule 30. So this is 3-inch, and it's not displaying it as like a 3-inch pipe. It's just giving you that, that 1/2-inch, 3/4 look to it. But it's still telling you something's there. So the idea is that it's giving you a very good idea of what's behind the walls when you're doing projects. And we'll talk about why that's important. So now let's do it on expert mode, which is basically it's giving you like raw data. Like this is translated into a good picture. So let's put it in expert mode, which gives you like a raw data type picture. So see this, and it's not doing thermal. It's radar that's scanning density in the wall. Let me move this over here. I want to try to, where are we at? Look at that. It's picking it up as I'm wiggling it around all over. Let's try it on the 5/8 drywall with the insulation. Our calibration. Not too fast, not too slow either. Look at that. What's it picking up? Picking up the wood stud. Did it catch something there? Picking up that wire. Stud again. And then some more pecks with water in it over here. There it is. All right, so now let's do it in expert mode. Again, it's not thermal, it's just giving you a visual. There's your stud again. Picking up our wire. And then you can even use this, if you hear animals in your walls, you can use this. So let me show you. Look, that's pretty sweet. So if you hear scratching around in your walls, you can grab this and try to figure out where it's coming from. So we've gone over all the major details of the Walabot, I believe. I'll show you real quick what I got in here. Oh, here's our little jog of copper with hex on the end. And then, oh yeah, this one had a jog in it too. And this is copper, and this is CPVC. Another shark plate. PEX, just a typical 1/2-inch PEX line. Steel pipe, and then our 14-2 and more PEX. I got 3/4-inch plywood on the back side of these, and I was able to pick up stuff in the walls. Our calibration over again, I mean. Start calibration. We scan larger area. I gotta make a little bigger circle. Calibration complete. Look at that. Picked up the stud. This is 3/4-inch plywood. This is thick plywood. And this thing is finding studs behind it easy. Let's see if it finds our potential object. Wow. It is finding that Piper wire, which is obviously X wood stud. Wow, that's awesome. Through the 3/4 plywood. Let's move it around. Look at that. That's cool. This thing is awesome. Way better than any stud finder. I've had a couple of the Franklin ones. I think I even have a couple videos on my channel for the Franklins. This thing's leaps and bounds above that. It's even picking up the schedule 30 again. That's awesome. And then let's see if we can do the animal test again. Oh, it's picking up the electrical. Forgot about that. All right, so let's do the animal test again. Wow, that's cool. Who would this be for? This would be for anybody, DIYers or professionals like myself. I had a customer that wanted to put windows above a double big slider door onto their deck for more sunlight, and we were trying to see if they had a big header above that door, or if it was a beam, or if it was just 2x4 blocking, depending on how they framed it, framers. And if I would have had this, I wouldn't have had to tear out drywall to see what their situation was. So, using this, and then also, having some, what do you call it? Like, some signs in the wall, like an outlet or a switch, or, like the plumbing sticking out from your toilet or your sink or what have you. Use those clues to help you while you use this. So, Walabot DIY 2M, great product. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.